In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use snapping options in Stack. Whether you're new to Stack or just looking to fine-tune your skills, understanding and using these snapping options can significantly improve your efficiency and accuracy in measuring plans. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the Stack login page. Once there, you'll see the option to log in with Google. This is the recommended method if you've synced your account for a quicker and seamless access. After logging in, you'll be directed to your project dashboard. Here, you can see a list of all your current projects. Select the project you wish to work on by clicking directly on its title. This action will lead you to the detailed view of that specific project. Within your project, look for the Plans and Takeoffs section. Clicking on this will load the various plans you've uploaded. Choose a plan that you want to work on and then click on View. This option allows you to load the plan in full view, giving you a better perspective of what you'll be measuring. Before you jump into measuring, identify and select the specific takeoff you want to measure. For instance, if you're working on a bathroom area, click on the corresponding takeoff for more precision and detail. When you've selected your area, look for the Start Measuring button and click it. Now here's where the magic of snapping options comes handy. Locate the option labeled Snap to Geometries. This helps your measurements adhere closely to the design's geometries, ensuring better alignment. If you're keen on using shortcuts, pressing the S key will toggle this feature on and off, providing quick adjustments while working through various parts of the plan. Then for straight lines, enable line snapping. By holding the Shift key, you can toggle line snapping to ensure your lines remain perfectly straight, reducing errors significantly. With your snapping options set, proceed with measuring the designated area, knowing each line and point will be precise. Once you've completed measuring, the final step is to click on Finish Measuring. Doing this will save your measurements and allow you to review the accuracy and details of your work. There you have it. You've leveraged snapping options for precise and efficient measuring in Stack. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your workflow, reduce errors, and bring a greater level of detail to your project planning. This approach not only saves time, but also improves the accuracy of your work output. Thank you for watching, and make sure to apply these tips in your next project with Stack.